Hello one and all. In this video we are discussing the mechanism of G protein coupled receptors. The activation of signal transduction via GPCR is as follows. When signal molecule binds to the ligand binding region of the GPCR, the conformation of receptor changes. This allows for the receptor to bind and alter the conformation of the trimeric G protein. Alpha helical domain of alpha subunit moves outward and opening up nucleotide binding site, promoting GTP dissociation. GTP then binds to the alpha subunit, inducing the dissociation of both GPCR and beta gamma complex. This mechanism of GPCR signaling enables cells respond to various signals including hormones, sensory stimuli and neurotransmitters. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.